Welcome, project managers. This video presents Blackboard navigation. The benefit of using Blackboard is it's the UCSD learning management system. All of the content that you need for this class is going to be on Blackboard. Let's now look at the content that'll be included. Blackboard will include announcements, lessons, assignments, resources, and discussion boards. Let's now have a demonstration of each one of these features of Blackboard. Let's first look at the left side of the screen. You'll notice the Blackboard user interface includes announcements, introductions, the syllabus, lessons, discussion board, assignments, resources, contacts, and tools. You'll be clicking on these to launch the various features of Blackboard. Let's first look at the announcements and the course introduction that you received. The course introduction was submitted via an email prior to class. When I post these announcements, I'll go ahead and send you an email that you'll receive. It's the same information that's on the announcement. This first introduction email included an objective for this course. It lists a number of different bullets on what you will learn when you complete this course. It also lists the 9 classes, total of 9 sessions for this particular course. There's also course introduction lesson. You'll view the course introduction, which is both a PowerPoint and also narrative. You'll complete the student introductions on the discussion board. The Class 1 presentation is the course introduction. Student information sheets, go ahead and download this content. This content will be used for forming the project teams. The course tools will include Blackboard navigation, which you're viewing now, project management training community. We'll use the community as part of a social learning. Also, how to use Google Hangouts. You have the option of using Skype, conference calls, face-to-face meetings, and also Google Hangouts. And this is a tutorial. And then also there's a YouTube video, How Great Leaders Inspire Action. Let's now look at the Class 1 announcement. This will be the same format for all of the class lesson plans. So for example, Lesson 1 is Project Planning Overview. This is an overview of project management essentials. You'll notice that I have presentations, demonstrations, a podcast, and also the discussion board. For the presentations, there's the lesson introduction, PM Essentials Review, the solar panel project, team project planning review, and then also mind mapping for projects. For the demonstrations, I'll present the PMBOK mind maps that you'll be using in this course, and then also the projects that you can select. The PM podcast is Cornelius has a great PM podcast. In this example, we have episode 371, and this is the PMBOK 6th edition that was just recently released. And again, the discussion board, which was also listed in the course introduction, go ahead and introduce yourself, post to the discussion board. Feel free to review all of the students and comment. The homework assignment for this first lesson is to review the syllabus. Each lesson, I could make refinements to the syllabus, so you'll see this for each homework assignment. Go ahead again, complete the student information sheet, post your introduction to the discussion board, complete Blackboard Lesson 1, read chapters 1 and 2. Also review the PMO San Diego website. Attend an event that you can attend. And then before the 7th class, go ahead and post to the project management training community. PMI San Diego is a great organization. It's a good opportunity for you to meet with other project managers, network, socialize, get some best tips at the presentations. I highly recommend that you attend these events. I'll also include team resources, including the project guidelines, templates, and mind maps that you can use throughout this course. Let's now look at the syllabus. The syllabus is posted as a PDF file. It includes the detail for this course. It'll include the lessons, the assignments, the due dates. The syllabus is going to match the content in the announcements and then also in the assignments and the lessons. So there is some consistency, and I'll be reviewing the syllabus before each class, making certain that I have that consistency. Let me know if you have questions once you've had an opportunity to review the syllabus. Let's now click on the lessons, and you'll view all the lessons, including the course introduction. Let's first look at the Lesson 1. The Lesson 1, you can see on the left side of the screen, will list all of the content that you need to view for this course. We have a video for the Lesson 1 introduction, presentation, PM Essentials Review, presentation, the solar panel project, presentation, team project guidelines, presentation, project planning overview, presentation, mind mapping for project management, demonstration, the PMBOK mind maps, demonstration, the list of projects that you can select for your project team. This is the PM Podcast, episode 371, the Pinbox 6 edition. Go ahead and click to launch, and you'll be able to view that content either on your smartphone or your computer. Excellent PM Podcast. I highly recommend that you subscribe to this podcast. That way you'll be automatically notified of future podcasts. And then for each one of the lessons, I've included the lesson assignment. You can see the lesson 1 assignment is review syllabus, complete the student information sheet, post introduction to the discussion board, complete the Blackboard introduction in lesson 1, read chapters 1 and 2, and review the PMI San Diego website. Let's now click on resources and see the information that we've included. The resources include the Blackboard Student Handbook. This is information that you can review on how to use Blackboard. The course tools, student information sheets, the templates, mind map templates and examples, projects, solar panel project team resources, and Microsoft project tutorials. You're going to find this information in the announcements, and I will include links. You'll also find this content in the lesson assignments, and again, I'll include links. This will just help you be able to click from your email and go right to this information. But I highly recommend that you do review each one of these sections of the resources and just be familiar with the information that's under the resources. Let's now look at the discussion board. The view showing on the discussion board shows all the various discussions. I'll go ahead and hide these where you only see the specific discussion board just prior to class. But there will be the introduction that I want you to complete within 2 days of the first class starting. That way we get to know everybody. It's great to review the information for the students. And again, I encourage you to comment and establish a dialogue between your various students. I've also added a help desk under the discussion board. This will allow you to enter information if you feel that it'll help other students or questions that you may have. I can go ahead and respond to the discussion board, and I can provide input to all of the students. I'll also include this feature. For example, if I see the same type of questions or issues on the assignments, I'll go ahead and post that to the help desk. That way everyone sees that information and it doesn't get lost or buried in an email. This concludes a demonstration on how to use Blackboard for the content for this course. Let me know if you have questions. Please send me an email. And remember, the more you practice, the more familiar you get with the layout and where the content is located. The announcements, the lessons, and the assignments will all be consistent with the syllabus, and that'll just make this class go a lot smoother. Thank you for listening to this presentation. This presentation presented an overview of using Blackboard for this course. Let me know if you have any questions. Send me an email or give me a call. Again, my name is James Franklin. Thank you and have a great day.